Hello, and welcome to our next part of today's lab. In this part, we are going to look at the sacral and lumbar plexuses, and I'm going to send you to Ackland Anatomy's website so you will watch a cadaver dissection be performed. I want to show you real fast, though, using complete anatomy. So we have the sacral plexus coming off the anterior rami here of those sacral nerves. So officially, it is S1 through S4. However, we have L5 sneaking down and becoming part of it. What is it with the fifth ones? Remember, C5 doubles up to. So this is the sacral plexus, and the main nerve we care about is the sciatic nerve. That's going to come off of it. The sciatic nerve is going to innervate the posterior muscles. Remember the semi-tendinosus and membranosus on the side, the biceps femoris. And if you actually cut it open, he's not going to, you'll see that there's two nerves running down it. And those nerves become, wait for it, the fibular nerve on the fibula side. I thought I clicked on it. And what nerve would we have on the tibial side? That's right, the tibial nerve. And there's the tibial nerve. And those run all the way down to the foot. Fun fact, if you have an inversion problem while you're running and you run in cruddy shoes, you are going to annoy that nerve. And if you get onto a bike wrong and your cleat turns and you ride for an hour that way, you're going to mess up. What would the nerve on the side be? That's right. There's the fibular nerve. Apparently, our fibular nerve does not want to click on. Now, the tibial nerve has a friend there. I didn't teach you about it in lecture. I did put it on the models though. So here's the saphenous nerve right here. It's not on your test. I'm like, oh, that's a nice saphenous nerve. Let's identify it. So our lumbar plexus is coming off of our lumbar region up here. And the two main nerves I want you to know off the lumbar plexus are the femoral nerve, and it has 5 billion branches. We're not going to worry about the different branches. Students have racked their brains over those branches, so we're not going to worry about it. What I do want to point out is it's coming off over the inguinal canal. So if I add an artery and a vein, the artery and the vein are hanging out with it. So femoral artery, femoral vein, femoral nerve. They're all having fun in the inguinal canal right there. And the femoral nerve is going to go to the anterior compartment of the leg. Now, the medial compartment of the leg is the only one we haven't talked about. The other main branch I care about is this branch right here. That is going to be the obturator nerve. It's going through the obturator foramen right there. So watch his videos. You are then going to go to my webpage. I'm going to have you go to a different model, but basically here's the other spinal cord model. We have our lumbar plexus up here. We have our sacral plexus down here. We have our femoral nerve. We have our obturator nerve. There's our sciatic nerve. But I'm going to have you go to the other model, and you're going to identify the structures. Nobody's ever gone lumbar and sacral plexus wrong. Please don't be the first. But we're going to focus on the tibial nerve, the fibular nerve, the femoral nerve, the obturator nerve, and the sciatic nerve as well. And again, don't worry about the branches of the fibular nerve or the femoral nerve. I wasn't very careful on which branches I pointed to on them, so I'm not holding you accountable for that. So, thank you.